Okay, so we've made our pilot hole. That just helps the drill. Now this is where it's really important. I probably won't be able to show it on the camera too good anyways, but you got to make sure that that rod is centered in there. It's centered and pretty straight. And you do that by looking at it from out here as well as inside. And once you've got it so you think it's pretty straight and centered, then you smack it again. You see that? Come out through the other side, so then you can come over. This right here is when you tell if you see how we're going to do that. I'm going in from this side because I want the damper on this side of the stove. And then once you stick this in here is when you'll tell how straight you got it. Well, here's when you put these pots back on. See? A lot of this I can't show you. You're kind of going by feel. You want to get it back down in all them holes on the damper. Yeah. Yeah, and then you push it all the way in. Hold on to your damper and you push this in. And then that locks it back into place. Yeah. And see, I'm pretty, by being straight, hope you can see in there, by being straight, the damper works good. The pipe is a little out of round, but that's all right. She'll come around. So that pot's done. Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the great state of Maine. Get yourself a cup of coffee. What a beautiful day we've got today. For the last 3 days here, it's been, well, it's been about 88 degrees and hot. I've been trying to work on this tractor, doing some welding and stuff like that. And boy, yesterday was just a nasty, nasty day to be working out here. So, hey, get yourself a cup of coffee. I received 2 packages in the mail this week, and I wanted to share them with you. I'm going to have another sip of coffee first. But today it's cloudy. It might rain any minute, but that's all right. I didn't look at the thermometer, but I don't believe it's above 50 degrees. So this is a perfect day to come down here and work. Anyways, I got another package in the mail from Uncle Ed. I have no idea what's in this box. And then about the same time, I got this package here from Pennsylvania. There's another one. I just only lugged out one, but it's all the same thing. So this package here came from Pennsylvania. This came from Jeff. Jeff and Beth. Hello, Beth. Hello, Jeff. Big bear hug to Beth from the great state of Maine. They have a cabin up close to mine. I would say probably 20 miles 20 miles to the north of me. But he sent me some beautiful, beautiful traps for me and my grandson to get out with. And these traps are legal for the state of Maine, just the way they came. Well, I got to put a swivel up here. Got to have a swivel at the base of the trap. Got to have a swivel in the middle, and you got to have a swivel down here where your anchor point is. But what a beautiful trap! My goodness. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Jeffrey. Jeffrey, he is probably as old as I am, maybe close to my age, give or take. But he likes to call himself my adopted son, which I get a kick out of because we're the same age. So Jeff, I'll adopt all the sons I can. Nothing like an adopted son that sends you traps like that. My goodness. My goodness, are them beautiful looking traps. All ready to go. Other than just got to make a couple adjustments on them. I want to use these primarily for beaver trapping. Boy, don't I like eating beaver. Nice traps, Jeff. Nice traps. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My goodness. So there's that one. So, thank you, Jeff. Thank you, Beth. We will get together for coffee eventually. Their trip got caught short last time. One of their dogs got injured. So we had made coffee plans for me to come over and have coffee. And one of the dogs got injured, so they had to go back home. So here's one from Uncle Ed. Let's see what, and Ed, I will definitely get your email right this time. Last time, if you guys caught, I had to go in and fix the email. It was supposed to be foot and I had feet. Pretty sure, or foot, feet, whatever. I'll have to go in and check again. But the way I was looking at it, and the way the light hit the little paper he had wrote it on, the email address, I just plain got it wrong in the video. But I'll get it right this time. I'll get it right this time, Ed. Any of you haven't caught what Ed does, he makes turkey calls. And Jeff watched the video and ordered a turkey call from Uncle Ed. Oh wow, he's been sending me pictures of this thing he's been working on. My goodness. You're too good to me, all you guys are. I will show you this in a minute once I read the note. A gift for your wife. I hope she's doing well. God bless. Uncle, hey, we can't give that to her, Uncle Ed. Oh, she'll like that. We'll hang it up in the cabin. This is a bone. I'll probably bring it over close so you can see it. He draws on these bones. Hope this works. Isn't that unbelievable, huh? And I think he said he does that with an ink pen. Is that wild? Well, you know, Ed, if she sees that cabin, I'm going to have to build her another cabin. Gonna have to build her another cabin thanks to you. Let's see, what has he got on the bottom here? Ed Jones, 2024. Yeah, he's been sending me pictures of this. He's been working on it. That's unbelievable. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, she had a rough night yesterday. Well, not physically, just anxiety from everything that's going on. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Where'd my coffee go? So, I just wanted to share those with you. Unbelievable how nice so many of you subscribers have been to the East Grand Woodsman and the East Grand channel over the last, I don't know, I started in 2018, so it's been a while. I think we're creeping up on 800 videos now, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you're just catching this one, hit the subscribe button. Come on in and see what's going on. We got a lot of great subscribers. When I get closer to the fall, I will start having more live streams. Been a busy summer, so haven't had too many live streams this summer, which is typical for me. It's, you know, summertime gets busy. And come winter time, I will have more time and we'll hit some live streams, because those are a boatload of fun. Hey, you guys have a sip of coffee with me. I'm going to wrap up that seat today. Long story on that seat. But that seat will be wrapped up today, and then this evening I'm going to go look at a small trailer to put on the back of it. You know me, it's going to be dirt cheap. Luckily it's not too far away. It's about an hour away, heavy duty, industrial little trailer. The guy says he wants $100 for it, or he'll take a reasonable offer. So I'm going to go look at it, and then we'll come up with a reasonable offer. I'm more interested in the size of it. If it's too small, I want it narrow so it will fit between the trees with me, but I don't want it so small that it's useless. So I need to look at it from that point of view, and that'll depend on whether I buy it or not. So have a sip of coffee with me on your way out, and I will see you next week.